This is a new series called App Design Review, where I take an existing app and really dive deep into the design and user experience of it. We'll go over what's working and what can be improved upon for a better user experience. For this video, I'm reviewing the PayPal app, specifically the onboarding intro sequence and the actions you can take when you download the app and sign up for the first time. So let's get started. Tap the app icon. First we see the PayPal icon loading screen, and this is the first screen that we see, and it says the simple and secure way to send, spend, and manage your money. Swipe to learn how, log in, sign up. So I think this is a great intro page because really quickly it tells you exactly what PayPal does, just in case you've never heard of PayPal or you're just downloading it for the first time. You get that this is a payment app. You can send, spend, and manage your money all through this one account. So let's go ahead and swipe and learn more. And so right away you can see that there's some cool interactions here. It looks like the background photo zooms in and fades and changes colors into the new one, which is a nice little interaction. Send money fast to anyone in 100 plus countries. They help people from pretty much almost every country, 100 plus countries, and also communicating the ease of how to use everything. So again, similar interactions. Spend securely on millions of sites and apps. So a lot of online e-commerce brands and shops actually use PayPal as their payment service, or at least it's one of their options, because since it's so widely known and accepted, people trust it, and it's also easy. So one of the things that they do that they're telling us about right now is that they make it really easy for you to buy things online. All you have to do is log in. You can like save your password, or it's just like, I think, a one-click checkout page. So it makes it a lot easier. You don't have to spend time remembering what your password was, logging in, and all that kind of stuff. The next screen, which is the last one, and simply manage it all in one place. So one of the last features that they're telling us about is that you can simply manage your money with this account. You'll be able to see everything you send, keep all of your credit cards and banks all into one account and keep track of it that way. So it's all in one in that sense. So that's the end of the welcome series, and now the next step is either to log in or sign up. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. Pretty simple login screen, email, password, and then again, if you're new, you could click that new to PayPal to sign up that way. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my information. And click login when you're done. So this is interesting. It says log in with Touch ID. Use your Touch ID for faster, easier access to your PayPal account. So I have the iPhone 7, which has the fingerprint ID feature on the phone. So just like when I unlock my phone, I can use my fingerprint. So it's also asking me if I would like to do that with the PayPal app. And I love this feature on my iPhone. I personally dislike having to put in passwords, even though I use a password manager called LastPass, which makes it easy. It's still eliminating that one step of going into my LastPass app, copying the password, and coming back to the app. So I'm going to go ahead and set that up. Use Touch ID. Confirm by using your fingerprint. Touch ID is ready to go. And of course, just like every other app, they want to allow, send you notifications. So this is the dashboard after you sign in on the PayPal app. Looks like we've got manage balance, see activity, send or request money, and then other options as well. So let's see what happens when we click on this gear icon. It goes into all of our information. If we wanted to change our preferences, help, notifications, or if we wanted to log out. You can also get a paypal.me link, which I'm actually not too familiar with what that is. What do you want as your paypal.me link? So I'm guessing that by sharing this link, you'd be able to send and receive money a lot easier, which that's a really cool feature, especially if you wanted to use it for business. So I think this gives us a pretty good idea of what we can do with PayPal, but there's not much hierarchy. I would almost want to see this send money, request money section on the top, because most of the time when you're using PayPal, you're probably going to want to do one of those options and then have all the other options below. And I might even make this section a full screen, or maybe use a swipe, so you'd have the send money as one screen, swipe, request money, or swipe for other options. Let's go through and see what happens when we do send money. Send money in an instant while you're on the go. Request money. The fast way to get paid whenever, wherever you are. And so I've used PayPal quite a bit, and all of these more options, honestly, I am not familiar with them. For example, loyalty cards, what is that? Yeah, so it looks like they have a lot of features where, as a person that has used PayPal quite a bit, I don't know what these are, so maybe if they had more information teaching us what this was about. This is a pretty good screen, it gives you a quick screenshot of your money and if you wanted to add money into your PayPal. Yeah, so overall, I think that this dashboard does a great job of showing all the possibilities with the PayPal app. It's just maybe introducing some kind of hierarchy. Now let's summarize some of the key points we just talked about. One of the best features of the PayPal app is the onboarding or intro sequence when someone first opens the app. There's 4 informative screens educating the user exactly what you can do with this app. And there's a simple call to action of either login or sign up. There continues to be great informative screens throughout the app, like for send money and request money, that educates the user how to use the app and get started with these features. My one point of criticism would be the dashboard. There's honestly so many options available for the user to do that it can be a little confusing. So whether that's reorganizing it and simplifying it, where we just focus on send money and request money and then swipe or scroll for more options, that would really help simplify the options for the user. And that's it for this app design review on PayPal. And now I'd love to know, what are your thoughts on PayPal's mobile design? Do you love or hate the onboarding intro sequence? Do you find the dashboard easy to use and understand, or are you like me and find it a little bit confusing and wish there was more hierarchy? Whatever your thoughts are, share and leave a comment below.